Typically,
Susan, have you tried using wood hardener on it? It sounds like it's maybe a little bit punky, and any number of wood. Minwax makes one. Elmer's makes one. You can get them readily at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's called wood hardener. You just pour it on there and it stiffens it up, and that might get it hard enough that you can turn it without it chipping on you so bad.
Okay. I mean, it's gorgeous wood. It would look great on a bowl or something. And but I just
Morphix
make
would work
these.
as a hardener as well.
What's that?
The Morphix would work perfect as a wood hardener as well.
yes,
True.
correct.
I've used
Super
super
glue.
glue.
Yeah.
I've also used shellac, a couple of coats of shellac on Punky Wood, and that helps some as well.
Okay.
Also had somewhat of a luck with using a basic sanding sealer. Def 10-50-50 like I do in everything else. Soak
Okay.
it good. Soak it good. Let it soak in there, and then I've had some luck with that. I'm sure there's other products. I've tried the wood hardener. Didn't seem to work real good, but I was young and younger, and wood was real porous. So it just worked through.
Okay. I'll give it a go. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Now, if we were chatting this with Kim Tippin, she'd say pressure pot. Put that hardener in the pressure. And I saw a picture of Kim's house.
Cactus juice.
Yeah. Kim's house.
That's what I used a while back. I used cactus juice in the pressure pot, and that came out so hard it was like a rock. I couldn't turn it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a bit of an outlay, though.
Yeah.
It is. It's not for everybody.
Yeah, it's a bit of an outlet.